Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'm showing you how to add the FDM in Chrome. So FDM is a short for Free Download Manager, which is a simply amazing application that I myself also use. So here you go, as you can see it's also installed in my system, sorry about that. That allows you to grab the links from other third-party websites and download them locally very efficiently and very quickly in your app here in the Free Download Manager. It's an amazing app. You should really try this out and use this. If you want to install the extension, you actually don't need to do any math here. You don't need to struggle. The only thing that you need to do is to just download the app. And if I go ahead and open up my extensions, you will see that I actually, let me see, as you can see, I have the Free Download Manager extension. If I go to details and I go to the view in Chrome Store, as you can see, we have this extension right over here. So if you want to manually install it for some reason, just copy the name, open up your extensions right here, manage, web store, and just insert the name and download it from here, and you can enjoy now. So that's it guys, pretty simply done. If you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe.